chapter 7, part 3. It is related that when Husamuddin was in his last illness, Sultan Velid came to visit him. Finding the sickness was unto death, he began to wail and lament, asking what would become of himself after the removal of so dear a friend and so able a director. Husam collected himself and, leaning on Sultan Velid, sat up. He then addressed him thus: "Be of good cheer, and let not thy heart be dismayed through my departure in the body. In another form I will ever be near thee still. Thou shalt never be in need of counsel from another. In all difficulties and troubles that may beset thee, I will always be present, and in the visions of the night I will solve every doubt, and direct thee in each matter, whether it relate to the spirit and religion, or whether it pertain to the flesh and mundane affairs. Whether thou shalt receive counsel in this manner, I know of a surety that it is I who suggest it to thee. It will be none other than I myself. I will show myself to thee in thy visions, and I will be thy counsel and thy guide." Sultan Velid was the first who narrated his dreams in his poems. "Seek them there. There shalt thou find them consigned." Well, yeah, I'm way after my relating my dreams and visions in my poems, but I don't think he was the first. I think there was ancient Egyptians who did that, although, you know, it's hard to tell in ancient cultures what was a poem, right? Because there had been some sort of thing like a poem and something. And it couldn't have just started a couple thousand years ago or something like that. It's bound to have happened before that, right?